Alright guys, welcome back. As we keep on moving along on this house here at West End, they've levelled the site, they've brought fill in and tramped it down. We brought the concrete piers up to underside of footing. We've still got a few more to do. We've got to go through, because they changed the way you wanted to do it, so we've got to go through, clean these holes out on the side here, bleed them up to underside of footing so the concreter can do his footings and the rest of it. But today, while Frankie does that, Frankie's cleaning those out, give me a hand later, I'm here trying to prepare this timber. These are the timber posts that are going on the front. Thanks, Frank. And please excuse my speech. I had a stroke some 4 weeks ago and lost control of one side of my face, the left side of my face. So I have trouble speaking properly, as the lip on one side doesn't work properly. Actually, Frank, you want to show? Here, just quick look. See, it's not too bad, it's just this side. I've got no control over this side at all at the moment, because I had 3 toxic teeth and I got them out, but yeah, I've lost control. So just a minor stroke, we're working through it. Okay, back to the job. Thanks guys. Okay, and yeah, so here we have the nice Queeler figure joint laminated posts. They're 140mm. That's what the owner wanted. So I've got to paint them, and of course, because of the moisture that we're getting, I've got to do that pretty quick, as we've got a couple of storms coming. Pull the moon cycle over, so into rain. We're just coming into summer now. We don't have an autumn and winter, autumn and spring in this country. It's either summer or winter. And so we're back to 30 degrees today. Well, feels like it anyway, humidity. But yeah, here's our quality post. So there we are, that's a stamp. BL13s. These are 3/6 long, which gives me 20mm to play with. So I can't waste any. And I've got 8 of them, and they go around those the front 8 posts that I've got to replace with these. And I'll show you that when we do it. But today I've got to paint them and then get them ready. We've got fish plates. So that means a piece of steel that has a plate at the bottom and a vertical plate up with holes in it that I've got to drill through these, and I've got to cut through in there. So that means you won't see it from the outside. And all you'll see is the 2 hole marks for the bolts. And I've got to do the same at the top as well, because I've got to hold it up on that bearer and also hold a wide joint on both ends, and there's no room for the timber to go up the side. There's not enough strength in it. So we're going to do fish plates on both top and bottom. It's going to be fun. Alrighty, I'll get into that while Frankie keeps on going on those holes over the other side over there. And we'll talk to you again soon. Okay, thanks for joining us. And we'll show you some more in a little while. Thanks guys, see ya, bye.